Hi and welcome. Today we're sharing a sad story that shows how important food safety is, even with healthy things like coconut water. A 69-year-old man in Denmark died after drinking spoiled coconut water from a pre-shaved coconut. The coconut had been sitting at room temperature on a kitchen table for 1 month. He said it tasted rotten and slimy, so he only had a small amount. But just hours later, he got very sick. He was sweating, vomiting, confused, and couldn't keep his balance. His skin turned pale. Doctors found his brain was swelling. Sadly, he passed away just 26 hours after drinking the coconut water. Experts say,
opened coconuts must be kept in the fridge. They stay fresh for 3 to 5 days in a Ziploc or airtight container. For longer storage, freeze them for up to 6 months.
leaving them out too long can cause dangerous bacteria to grow. Always store food the right way. If it smells bad or looks wrong, don't take the risk. Throw it away. Subscribe for more easy tips on staying safe and healthy. Thanks for watching.